Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create some very powerful presentations using a new AI tool that I just discovered, SlidesAI.com, and let me show you what it has done for me. So this presentation that you're seeing, about 14 slides, is generated completely with an AI, and it is customizable, and it's something that you can work on, and you can edit and add in different images. You can even add mathematical formulation to this, and it goes beyond that. You can provide even quizzes, different kind of questions and answers, and can give you a lot of meaning depending on what you are trying to create. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this to create your own presentation, and you can export it in PowerPoint, Google Slide, as you may wish. So let's start by going to Google and go to search for SlidesAI. You can see it in here, free interactive presentation maker. You can make even live polls, quizzes. Like I said, you can be able to see ideas that lead. You can go to the app if you're interested, and then you have the option to have a test of it using the pre-made templates, or you can create with an AI directly. Now, these are some of the things that you can do. For example, you can do the multi-choice question, word cloud, if you are interested. If you know about word cloud, you can do it, ranking, guess the number sort of questions, and then you can do this or that question, like a quiz sort of questions, Q&A, open-ended question, and you can do scale questions as well, depending on what you are trying to create. Now, let's go straight to Explore. Of course, you have to log in with your account. I've logged in with my Microsoft account, and like I said, you have the option. This is the presentation that I've just created earlier on. You have the option to create the presentation from you can enter a topic, what's the title of your presentation, and then you can follow through, or you can create with an AI. You can check out the popular templates down here. You can see quite a lot of them. You can click in here to view all. You'll be able to see all of the templates that they have, and you can preview and even use them if you're interested in those kind of templates, maybe based on the design, based on the ideation that you have. You can use any of them, and you can search directly, or you can check the category also if you're interested. So let's go back to presentation, and this time around I'm going to use new presentation from an AI. Okay, so create with AI, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my questions. Here, so I say, can you create a 12 slide presentation on the use of AI in the medical field? Explain the rising trends, the tools, the opportunities and challenges. Now in here, you can define the number of slides that you want to define. You can define the theme of the of which you can see in here I'm going with this slide light. Okay, then the deck size, I think 10 to 12. You can go to this also, or this. And then the illustrations, the imaging type, you can do line art or photorealistic, or this 3D if you're interested. So let's simply go to photorealistic, and then I can now say use prompt. And now in here you can add in different kind of resources that you think can serve as a guide towards the PowerPoint creation. So it can help you to serve as a guide, and you can upload images as well that you can use to kind of help you also to guide, or it can add to specific slides that you have. So once you're okay with all of this, you can go ahead and click on generate. You just give it some seconds to finish the ideation, and then give you the overview of what it is going to create, and then from there it is going to go straight to create your presentation. All right, so as you can see, it has generated our 12 slides, and you can preview them. If you are interested, you can come over here. AI in medicine, from hype to everyday practice. You can move from slide to slide. You can see the preview that it has given us. Very, very good with the images that it has given us wonderfully. You can be able to see easily, and you can work with. All right, so let's say we are okay with what we see. If you don't want, you can edit these slides by coming over here to the chat feature. Maybe you can say add a slide on call to action, for example, and you can just hit on enter, and you can take the opportunity to if you are editing a specific slide, to put in all the other editings. In case if you need to add a new slide, you can add it, or in case if you need to edit a particular slide, you can call the slide number and you can edit it directly. So let's say I want to add a slide on call to action, and it's going to just do just that for me. You can see it has added a slide on call to action, your next steps. Now, if everything is okay by you have the 13 slides, you can go ahead and say create presentation, and it's going to use some of this data, all of the data, to create a fantastic final presentation that you can export and use for your own content. Now you can see the final presentation is created. You can move slide by slide. If you're interested, you can move from one slide to another, just like we have explained. This is it. You can see the slides clearly and well created. Now at any given point, you can edit the design, okay, by if you want to add a text, you can play around with the text editing features in here, and if you like, you can come back and maybe play around with shapes. If you have any shape that you want to add into your presentation, you can be able to use them in here. You have lines that you want to have. They have lines, poly lines, straight lines, curved lines of different nature, and you have charts also. If you are interested in adding charts, you can add it to your presentation very easily. With just one click, you'll be able to add, and you can double click to have the edit chart data in here, so you can be able to edit your data and add the respective data that you want. For example, you made this 80, and we can add a series also. If you don't want series 1, series 2, you can rename them if you're interested, and once you see apply changes, this is now going to apply. You can see the difference that it has created. Now, one of the good things about this that I like is the fact that you can always come back when you're in a given slide. They have the table if you want to add a table, or they have symbols in case if you have a symbol, mathematical symbols, numbers, math, arrows, or shapes, depending on the type of symbol that you want to add. And they have the best one that I like is this mathematical expression. You can add formulas that directly. You can see all of these formulas you can bring into your presentation and add it with, or you can add symbols of different types, be it operators, Greek functions, or Greek letters. You can add all of these into your presentation. Okay, so down here you can change background. You can bring in media, whether it's a video or an audio or an image also. If you are so keen about images, you can see the image upload feature also from here. Now, when you are okay with all of this, you like what you see, you can go ahead and download directly from here, right? You can download old slide, or you can download current slide. You can export it in PPT. So let's say we are going to do that, and you'll be able to see a sample of what we have just created. With just that simple click, our presentation is ready in PPT. So alternatively, you can decide to present your presentation. You can have present, or you can even do remote presentation, where you can share the link or the controls with someone, and you can have this basic editing feature that if you want to add or remove something, you can be able to do that in here. And you can share the presentation also with this, so people can join the presentation and be a part of it with just this link. You can click, and then you can share this link, and they can be able to join your presentation when you present online. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the SlidesAI tool to be able to create fantastic presentation that you can use for your conference, for your project, or for anything. Remind you can create also from template like we've explained. So for the plan, you can see the plan in here. If you're interested, you can subscribe. It's very easy, very cheap with the basic and pro plans. You can do that if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.